OMG!
Sana nagsinturon ako.
Parang, ano to, mga Kapuspalag Foundation. Once again, your name?
Good evening, Angelica.
Good evening, everyone.
Ano ang iyong motto in life?
Just enjoy life, have fun while you're young.
Yun. Okay ba tayo? Have fun while we're young? Okay ba? Single ba tayo? Or double? May kasintahan ka ba sa buhay? Oh.
Meron po.
Meron. Nandito ba siya?
Dito ba? Wala siya dito. Charles Toy ang video natin. Okay.
Alright. So our question, tungkol...
Sorry, medyo kinapos yung ano natin, no? Yung mga outfit,
yung
no?
bikini.
Medyo nag-cost cutting tayo this year. Kita mo naman medyo kinapos, no?
Parang si sino yun? Wonder Woman. Si Angelica. Yan, si Wonder Woman. Pakita natin. Turn around, Angelica.
Oh!
Grabe. Okay. So the question is, subject of culinary. So, tungkol sa either the food or drinks daw. Okay, Angelica. Kung ikaw ay isang inumin, anong klase at bakit?
Kung ako ay isang inumin, ako ay iced coffee. Bakit?
Bakit?
Dahil kahit ako ay matapang, ako ay nakaka-refresh. At kailangan natin yan sa buhay, balance. Merong strength at sweetness. Yun lamang po.
Grabe. Okay, kape.
Sa totoo lang, walang kwenta yung sagot niya, pero palakpakan natin.
Bravo!
Iced coffee.
Yan. Okay naman yung sagot niya. Yun lang tame siya.
Oh. Pwede ba tayo medyo mag-wild ng
Siguro hindi naman siya umiinom ng alak.
Tapang kasi, kaya may strength.
Ayun.
Pwede ba natin makita yung strength?
Oh,
Okay lang ba makita yung strength?
Yan.
Oh, shit! Yan yung sinasabi ko eh. Nanginginig, Toads! Nanginginig!
Thank you, Angelica. Thank you.
Ito pinakamanyakis sa side number.
Thank you so much. Cyril Ramos. Cyril Ramos. Good evening, Cyril.
Good evening, everyone.
Cyril, if meron kang ibabahagi sa ating mga attendees here, ano ang iyong motto in life?
Have confidence within yourself.
Have confidence with yourself. Pwede ba natin makita yung confidence? Okay lang ba, Toads? Makita nga yung confidence. Yan ang sinasabi ko eh.
Nakita ko na yung confidence niya.
Yan ang confidence charts.
Nakita ko na yung confidence. Alright, Cyril. I noticed that you have... Tingnan mo, kakaiba itong piercing niya nasa bibig eh. Sa ilalim ng lips niya. Tingnan mo. Smiley, smiley.
Hindi, status muna, status.
Pakita mo. Nasa ilalim eh. Zoom in. Dali na.
Status.
Single.
Relax ka.
Single ka ba?
Mahirig, gago. If meron kang two things you are looking for in an ideal guy, ano yung dalawang yan?
Matalino.
Ayun, tanggal lahat tayo. Tanggal tayo lahat. Matalino.
Libog lang, puro libog.
Ano pa?
Provider mindset.
Provider mindset. May pera ka ba? Kaya mo sustento siya? Hindi daw.
Okay. Question. Mas gusto mo ba na halaman na masarap diligan or bulaklak na mahirap diligan at bakit?
Mahirap diligan. Kasi patagal ng patagal, bumubuka ito ng pusa kapag nahihiya.
Sam, we need to translate with her in French. Bonjour.
As the longer time goes by, you have to open yourself.
The question was, if you were a plant, Huit, do you want to be open?
Ayop!
Kung isa kang halaman, do you wanna be watered, easy or watered hard? Yan.
Watered hard.
If you were a plant, yan.
Why not?
You want hard water or soft water?
Hard water.
Ay! Thank you so much. Hard water, okay na yun. May isa pang question? Okay na yun. Thank you so much, Cyril. And
Oh shit!
What the
Kapos
fuck?
Palad Community Foundation.
Ito yung sinasabi natin Kapos Palad Foundation.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, everyone.
Can you state your name, your motto in life?
Hi everyone, I'm Molly. My motto in life is YOLO. You only live once.
Pwede mo natin makita yun. Direct GB! Direct! Ay, si Direct para lang yun ako. Pwede mo natin makita yung YOLO.
Yung YOLO niya.
YOLO, ito tayo.
Okay, Molly. May letters.
Si Direct natutuwa. Ito mayon.
Molly, from the subject of music.
Music!
Okay. Kung ang katawan mo ay isang kanta,
Kanta.
anong part ng katawan mo ang chorus?
Ano ba? Ano?
In English for Hewitt.
If your body is song number, what is your chorus?
What part of her body is the chorus?
Thank you for that question. Siguro po, maybe, the title is Flower. Bubog ka ang bulaklak, sasaya, cha-cha, ang saya-saya.
Flower, which is very
Because the flower opens and
pwede ba
closes.
natin makita stop, man? Okay lang ba?
Konting tagtag pa.
Kung ikaw ay isang makahiya at hinipan ang iyong flower, paano ang mangyayari? 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Okay.
2 words. God bless.
Thank you so much, Polly.
Balikan na doon.
Okay.
Ito, hindi tayo totoo.
Saluila. Kylene. Ito, gustong mag-artista. Nakita kami sa backstage.
Hindi, tsaka nakikita ko bagay.
Bakit nakatingin ka sa dibdib?
Bagay! Introduce yourself and your motto in life.
Hi everyone! Masaya ba kayo sa performance namin? I'm Kylene Ann Salvilla. Motto ko sa life, syempre yung pambansang motto ng Pilipinas. Time is gold.
Time is gold. Okay.
Gusto ko makita yung gold. Hindi. Joke lang.
Ayun o, gold o.
From the subject of automotive engineering.
Ayun, automotive engineering. In English, automotive engineering.
Kung ikaw ay isang sasakyan.
If you are riding on someone. Tama ba?
Nililito mo si Hewitt eh. Kung isa kang sasakyan,
If you are riding,
mas gusto mo bang mabilis ang biyahe o slow ride?
do you want it fast or slow?
Syempre, slow muna, tapos sabay yung pass. Tapos syempre, ano na yun, di ba? Ransa-ransa muna bago paspasan.
So Hewitt, she likes to go slow and then go fast.
Para hindi masaktan.
How long should the ride be? Gusto mo yun 10-15 minutes going to the mall? Or do you wanna go long road trip mga 3 hours plus?
Pwede namang 24 hours eh. Umaga, tanghali, hapon, o gusto mo.
Sino dito kaya 24 hours? Oh, yun. Sinungaling ka. So na go Rocky ka. Okay.
God bless you, Apir.
Thank
Alam
you,
mo naman.
Aline. There we go. Clarissa Asani.
Eto, hinihintay ko, Tones. Nakita ko eh. Hindi kasha.
How are you?
Good.
What's keeping you busy?
Wala. Bahay lang.
Okay.
Do you have a motto in life?
My motto in life is, don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you are done.
Can we see? Can we see when you are done? Well done.
Grabe.
Parang si Direk GB, parang medyo relax na ngayon.
Cla, you said that do not stop until you're done. Can you show us? Do not stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. Can you show us the face of a person that's done?
Wait, oy, Crazy Kyle! Direct,
Huwag mo i-post yan sa online, ha?
direct close-up lang natin. Huwag tanggalin nyo na kami. Can you show us your face when you are about to get
Finish.
finish? sinasabi ko Tones eh.
Question. In the subject of meteorology.
If you are questioned about the stars in the moon.
Okay. Clark, kung ikaw ay isang ulan,
If you are a rain cloud.
malakas ba ang buhos?
Are you wet? Hindi ba rin? Are you
Heavy.
Ano ba?
Yeah.
Are you heavy?
Kung isa kang ulan, malakas ba ang buhos o mahina?
If you are a rain cloud, are you super wet or slightly wet?
Kung ako ay isang ulan, malakas ang aking buhos. Basang-basa, bahang-baha, titirik lahat ng sasakyan.
Wow! So she said,
In English.
if she's a rain cloud, she's very wet. And
Right now, she's just
super flooded. Squirt,
Yeah.
squirt.
titirik. What's titirik?
Tirik, car will be...
Titirik is like a bird that's on fire.
But tirik is when the car is underwater. Flood control. There's no flooding control.
Can you show us a flood control pose? 3, 2, 1, direct, go! Yan! Oh, shit!
Medyo may flood control ako dito.
Oh, pare. God bless the Philippines.
Thank you so much, Clarissa. Contestant number 5.
Ito yung mga kailangan natin sa Blue Ribbon.
We have Miss Aria Angkon.
Ito malinis. Clean.
Okay. Good evening.
Good evening, everyone. Sa nagagandahan at nagwagapuhan. Magandang gabi.
Can you state your name and your motto in life?
Hello, everyone. I am Aria Bench Angkon. And my motto in life is, do it hard. Do it hard. Just do it.
Do it hard. Ano?
Do it hard. Do it just do it.
God bless you.
Since she likes to do it, the subject is tungkol sa sports. Sa sports. Okay?
Si Direk,
Gaano katagal?
Direk, okay ka lang? Okay lang daw.
Arya, the question is, gaano katagal
In
mag-warm up?
English, how long?
Katagal mag-warm up bago maglaro?
Does it take you to warm up before you play?
Thank you for that wonderful question.
Yun sinasabi.
Char. Gaano katagal ang warm up? Kaya kong 4 hours. Wala pang warm up yun. Pero kaya kong maglaro. Depende sa posisyon na gusto mo. Let's go. Let's play. Ready, set, go.
If there is DJ Tones, a favorite position. In Tagalog, favorite position. What is your favorite?
Ang favorite position ko is helicopter.
Why?
Kasi, chuk 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 chuk. Kaya niyo ba yun?
Napagod ako, Paps. Helicopter. Thank you so much. Grabe.
Thank you.